Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. That's why you need to grow house plants. As we know, domestic plants are not only the decoration of our home, but also a factor that directly affects your very feeling and health. Despite this, few know about the useful properties of domestic plants. That's why, we'll tell you why they should be kept at home and what they pour in. 1. Plants purify the air. Scientists have proved that virtually every vase contains useful substances that can purify the air of harmful toxins. 2. Positively affect your emotional state. Therefore, scientists recommend keeping them in the workplace, because it is the plants that help to dispel bad thoughts and even avoid stress. 3. They are a source of positive energy. Restore the energy balance in the room and creates a feeling of comfort and coziness for living. Use our advice and then you will be truly happy and healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.